One pink wheel here. This is a 2007 Mazda 3. We're going to be replacing the battery on it today. Here's the new one. I would recommend getting these little felt tabs and some grease pack that helps keep the terminals from corroding. So we won't need many tools for this. Either a deep socket 10mm or an open socket 10mm, and then a open socket 13mm. If you've got ratcheting one, that'll make it a little bit easier. So pretty easy. I've already taken my battery off, but let me show you what I did. I don't have any tabs left on mine, but you may have some tabs here or underneath here or something. I'm going to take this part off, and then the top of the battery cover off, and then you're going to have the two terminals, and you're going to want to loosen these bolts here, and those are the 13mm, and then you can wiggle them off, pull off, do the negative one first and then the positive one, and then this is the bracket that holds the battery, keeps it from rattling around. This is the 13mm, and let's see, you might need a deep socket, so you can just take those things off, take the bracket off, and then lift the battery out. One thing to note, if you haven't lifted a car battery before, it is they're not light, they're pretty heavy, so just be aware of that.